What are your names?
And our names. So hold on. Or Liza and Ruthie.
Okay.
Ruthie.
Ruthie,
And
you-
if that scares you, make sure to comment down in the section below.
Ruthie, would you get high? And Liza, you get low. Very good. That's
I'm
the one.
cutting the pizza now.
No, I got mine.
Okay.
So I'm gonna try it.
All right, let me look at Liza.
Oh, is that good?
Liza, don't forget to look at the camera, honey. Camera, look at the camera.
I'm disgusted. I'm disgusted right now.
Liza,
not-
how was it?
Smells good.
Okay, Ruthie's turn.
Ruthie smells very good.
Smells good because the
Here's a piece she's eating. It has a gummy on it. And
smell it.
it smells interesting. It smells fine, actually. It smells a little gummy-ish, like gummy bearish. Let me try one too.
I'm gonna take two right over it.
It's good. It's actually very good.
Uh-oh.
In the sink.
Ew. It's actually not that bad.
Again with the muffins.
It's good. It's sweet. The gummies kind of make it sweet and sour. I don't really care for the gummy bear
Okay,
on it.
Ruthie, how do you rate your pizza?
Terrible.
Mm,
Wait, terrible.
I liked it.
Liza, look at the camera. How do you rate your pizza, Liza?
Good.
I'm eating it. It's really
Girls,
good.
can you say goodbye?
Make sure to not subscribe about me. Wait. Who won?
No, it's a tie. Guys,
No.
nobody's gonna say goodbye?
Did I win? No.
Nobody's gonna say goodbye to the
I'm
fans?
gonna eat this, okay?
Can you say goodbye to your fans?
Wait, hold on.
I won! It was a tie! It was a tie.
They're both good.